Hello, this is Jane Chiu here, and I'm the founder of thefabulousbodymind.com. Do you know that there are two different types of body fat in our body? The visceral fat as well as the subcutaneous fat. They are located at different locations and having different functions and health implication in our body. So in this video, I'm going to explain what they are. Visceral fat can be found around our midsection, encasing vital organs such as the liver, stomach, and intestines. These fat cells churn out inflammatory compounds, fostering chronic inflammation and escalating the risk of chronic disease such as heart disease and type 2 diabetes. Subcutaneous fat is the fat that lies right beneath the skin and it can be felt when you pinch your skin. It is distributed throughout the body, covering areas like the hips, thighs, buttocks, and abdomen. Subcutaneous fat acts as a source of energy, helps regulate body temperature, and provides padding and protection for underlying tissues. While excess subcutaneous fat is associated with obesity, it is generally considered to be less harmful to health than visceral fat. Subcutaneous fat is not as metabolically active as visceral fat and is not directly linked to the same degree of health problems. So guys, trimming visceral fat is so important. It will actually substantially slashes disease risk, bolsters overall health, and enhances quality of life. And since high insulin levels drives visceral fat, enhancing insulin sensitivity offers a targeted approach to combat it. Do get our ebook Fat to Fit and join Q Club to learn together. All right, I hope everyone will enjoy my video and do give me a thumbs up or share my video. Thank you. Bye.